Arrowhead Forensics takes great pride in providing top-tier products and kits specifically designed for forensic and medical professionals. Our commitment to quality ensures that these kits meet the highest standards of accuracy and reliability essential for critical investigations and medical examinations. We offer various custom kits, including blood collection, urine collection, DNA collection, buccal swabs, gunshot residue tests, and medical kits. Our custom printing services allow for personalized wording on the kits and the printing of accompanying documents. In addition to our core offerings, we also develop specialized kits tailored for diverse industries, ensuring that every sector has access to the tools they need for success. Whether it's for law enforcement, healthcare, or any other field, our comprehensive solutions are designed to address the unique challenges faced by professionals in their respective fields. Our dedicated quality assurance team meticulously inspects each product to ensure only the highest quality items reach our customers. Through rigorous attention to details, we strive to exceed expectations and deliver exceptional products that reflect our commitment to excellence. Arrowhead Forensics also excels in distribution, providing secure storage and efficient shipping services to meet our customers' needs. Our expertise in supply chain management ensures timely and reliable delivery, streamlining operations for our clients. Whether for storage or logistics planning, we are dedicated to exceptional service. From planning to completion, our experienced team will work to build and distribute your custom kit to your exact specification.